Alright everyone, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another 50p special. So today we are viewing the Battle of Hastings 50p coin. So if that's something that interests you, then please stay tuned and let's do this. Right then everyone, so yeah, we're back for another 50p special, and this one is the Battle of Hastings 50p piece. And so I thought I'd show this one today as a part of this ongoing 50p saga. Right, so basically, yeah, the front of the coin, as you all know, ain't really no different to most of the other coins that are out there. No date on this one. It's strange with this one, they've actually put 50p on the front side of the coin. I never noticed that before, because usually it's the date. I wonder if this one's different. I suppose some of us are just looking at some of the other coins, everyone, and yeah, some of us have got the date on the front, and then some others have actual 50p on the front. I never really noticed that before, so that's something new. But yeah, apart from that, Queen Elizabeth II, no necklace. Obviously she's in her older years here, so it's probably quite a fairly new coin. I'd say definitely within the last 10 years, definitely. So yeah, apart from that everyone, that's the front side of this coin. Obviously I'll quickly just brief over the front because they're all the same. So okay, I will spin over to the back. Right then everyone, we're back and here we go, here she is in all her glory. Battle of Hastings 1066. So that shows you that is a long time ago, 1066. I can't even add up how long ago that is, but yeah, that's a long time ago, 1066. So Battle of Hastings, so it must have been a pretty brutal battle, I'd imagine, if it's remembered from that long ago. So yeah, and there's the date as well, 2016 this coin was minted, so yeah, I was nearly right, just less than 10 years ago, so yeah, that's not so bad. Yeah, and it's integral, you got the man standing there with his shield and knife, or sword, shield and sword I should say. Yeah, and it's, you know, probably wearing metal armour or something, I would imagine. Yeah, it's definitely one of these coins that you don't see every day. This is the only one I've got of this. Usually I keep all the special ones, but this is actually the only one I have of this, so it's definitely worth a keep. They're not rare by any means. This coin is definitely not rare, but I don't seem to find it or see it that often. A lot of the other 50s that I've got there I do see fairly often, but this one I don't. So, but it's not rare, it's just probably people find it and keeping it, I'd imagine. So yeah, it's definitely a good coin to have in your collection if you are collecting special 50s. So yeah, it's definitely a glorious coin. So yeah, thank you everyone for watching, and I'll be back again with more special 50s Pence's. So yeah, stay tuned, please like and subscribe, and I'll be back very soon with a lot more coins. So thank you, take care.